The King's Weaver, Chapter 15. Sensing Toravon. I touch the cool surface of the polished slate desktop. Not marble, because my father said he wanted a reminder that not everyone in his kingdom was born to the privilege he had. Anger and bile rise in me, and I stand very still, not saying a word, as Caleb comes around the desk and leans over it. I wait, while I slowly burn inside. All the rage that someone would wish to kill my father, a man who only ever loved his kingdom, scouring me from the inside out. Caleb abruptly straightens. I don't see anything unusual here. I don't even feel in this room what I felt in the... He waves in the direction of the bedroom. Then looks up at me. He's close. And this close, I can see the light freckles on his pale face, the flecks of gray in his brown eyes. He adjusts his spectacles and looks down. Fine, I say. Thank you. Check the rest of the room. He nods, not looking up at me again. And I hate that he can't look at me. I hate that whatever rage I'm feeling inside has made its way out to him. This isn't the person I'm supposed to be. Or maybe it is. Maybe it's best that no one sees past the ogre they think I am. I'm going to be married soon, and it's not safe in this palace, in this kingdom, to be near me. I knew it before, but doubly know it now, after Caleb found what he did in my father's bedchamber. Caleb takes a step back, turns around to survey the room again, his lips pulled into a tight line of concentration. I can, just barely, feel that he is weaving something, though I don't know what. And I can't see the threads, like I know other weavers sometimes can. My chest tightens with frustration. I would rather be checking all of this alone, not bringing anyone else into this mayhem. But I've tried and strained every weaver's sense I have, and still found nothing. Caleb did instead. Caleb makes a full circle, turning back around toward me, and I wonder if he's going to stop before he faces me again. But he freezes, his gaze not on me, but on my father's chair, just beside me. Caleb's delicate brows draw down, and he steps closer. And he's close again now, his cinnamon scent rich around him. His hair isn't as neat as it could be. His clothes, decent enough for a merchant, but too plain for the palace, crinkled around the edges. His lips part in surprise. He leans down and points at the chair. There's a concentration of reality here, more than there should be. He frowns and straightens again, biting his lower lip as he glares down at the chair. If there's less reality than there should be in the bedchamber, there's more of it here. But just here, not throughout the rest of the room. I shift, tearing my attention from his lips, which I definitely should not be looking at. Can I see what he sees? But I don't, not with my natural eyes. I take another step back, glance at him to make sure he's still frowning at the chair, and then carefully look with more concentrated weaver's senses at the chair. I can maybe see something, a ripple in the feel of reality, but I don't know what I'm looking at. It doesn't look like anything more than something. And damn that Master Aldrich never taught me what I needed to know. Damn my failing willpower. Caleb's crouched and looking around the front of the chair now, so I reach out with my weaving and nudge some of the surface threads of reality around the chair. They still have the lingering touch of my father's presence, and I pull back again, because oh gods, Caleb jerks up, nearly banging his head on the desktop as he stares up at me, his eyes going wide. Oh no, I hadn't thought, I hadn't wanted him to see. I step back, another step away.